Welcome back, learners! I am Teacher Kim, and we are now on the weeks 4 and 5 of English 4, Quarter 1, with the milk of identify various text types according to structure, purpose, and language features, problem and solution, description, procedural, and sequence. Our lesson is about structure, purpose, and language features of different text types. You are going to study the different text types, identification and analysis of the structure, purpose, and language features. In this lesson, you are expected to demonstrate understanding of the text elements, to comprehend various text types, identify the author's purpose in writing a text. So ngayon mga bata, aalamin natin ano nga ba ang text types. So sabi dito, text types refer to basic types of writing. They are categorized as to factual and literary. So may dalawang uri tayo ng text types. Ito ay ang factual at literary. Mamaya ay iisa-isahin natin kung ano nga ba ang mga ito. Ano nga ba ang factual text types? So, ang nakalagay dito, these are used to inform, recount, instruct, or persuade readers. Ito ang mga halimbawa: speeches, historical documents, government reports, instructional or procedural text, and persuasive text. Here are the examples of factual text types. We have the encyclopedia, cookbook or recipe book, newspaper, dictionary, and textbook. So kung mapapansin nyo, familiar na kayo sa mga halimbawang ito. Ito yung kadalasan nating ginagamit na learning materials tuwing tayo ay nag-aaral. Sunod naman ay ang literary text types. These are used to entertain using languages formed and structured in creative manner. So, ibig sabihin, gagamit tayo dito ng ating mga malikhaing pag-iisip sa tuwing gumagawa tayo ng sulatin na literary. For example, drama, narrative text, and poetry. So, dito pumapasok yung ating pagsusulat ng mga tula, yung mga sarili nating komposisyon ng mga sulatin. Here are the examples of literary text types. We have The Huge Bag of Worries, Under the Stars, Cinderella, The Day You Begin, and Peter Pan. So, karamihan naman sa halimbawa ng mga literary text types ay ito yung mga kwentong pambata. So, base talaga ito sa malikhaing pag-iisip or ideya ng mga manunulat. Kadalasan ito ay fictional o yung base sa kanilang sariling na imbentong sulatin. Bakit nga ba gumagawa ng text types? So, una na dyan, to entertain means to provide leisure or enjoyment to readers. For example, fantasy, fiction, and science fiction. So, para ma-entertain, para mag-enjoy yung ating mga magbabasa. So, nakakalibang ang pagbabasa ng different text types, lalo na kung sobrang ganda ng genre at talagang fit na fit sa ating personality. Talagang mag-e-enjoy tayo sa ating binabasa. Second purpose ng text type ay to inform means to educate or instruct readers on particular details or information. For example, textbooks, cookbooks, newspapers, and encyclopedia. So, maaari ding makapagbigay ng mahalagang impormasyon ang iba't ibang uri ng text types. So, ito naman yung mga ginagamit natin sa ating pag-aaral or meron tayong pinapanundan ng mga procedures. So, ganyang kahalaga ang text types. So, marami itong maitutulong sa atin. Pangatlo, to persuade means to ask readers to believe on a particular issue or stand. This also allows one to do something caused by sound argumentation. For example, speeches, advertisements, and commercials. So, ibig sabihin, maaari ring gamitin ng text types sa usapin or mga debate. Merong ideya na pag-uusapan, may usapin na pag-uusapan, tapos ito ay sa pamamagitan ng speeches, advertisements, and commercials. So, maraming pwedeng paggamitan ang text types. Narito naman ang mga structures of text types. Number 1, description. This describes person, place, event, animal, and others. For example, the waves crashed and danced along the shore, moving up and down in a graceful and gentle rhythm like they were dancing. So, ito yung unang-unang structure ng text types. So, madali lang ito. Ito lang ay nagdi-describe. So, description ang una. Number 2, sequence, instruction, and process. This provides steps in performing an action or order of event. Example, in planting a seed, we used to put some soil in a pot. Then, put some seeds in the pot. Next, water the soil. After that, put your pot in a sunny place. Last, water your plant regularly and watch it grow. So, maaari ring magbigay ng procedure or pamamaraan ang text type. Third structure is the cause and effect. This seeks to identify what happened and how or why it happened. For example, I study my lesson every day. As a result, I got all correct answers in our test. Fourth is the compare and contrast. This provides similar and or dissimilar information about two persons, places, events, animals, and others. For example, Kim likes fish and meat. Tom prefers rice and vegetables. However, they both like orange juice. So, pwede rin namang sa text type ay yung nagkukumpara ng pagkakapareho at pagkakaiba ng dalawang tao, lugar, pangyayari, hayop at iba pa. Panglimang structure ng text type. Problem, solution. This states the problem and the possible solution. For example, he failed in the quarter exam last time. So, he studied hard to pass the new exam. So, dito naman, pwede ring may problema tapos binigyan ng solusyon para makabawi sa susunod. So, structure din niyon ng text type. Problem and solution. Base sa mga halimbawa na ipinakita dito sa video lesson na ito, panigurado akong masasagutan ninyo ng tama at maayos ang iba't ibang learning tasks ninyo sa English. So, summary of the lesson, text types refer to the basic types of writing. They are categorized as to factual and literary. So, meron tayong dalawang uri ng text types, ang factual at ang literary. So, meron ding three main purposes ang text types. Ito ay to entertain, to inform, and to persuade. Naipaliwanag din naman kanina kung ano-ano yung tatlong yan. They are also structures as text may provide description, sequence instruction process, cause and effect, compare contrast, and problem solution. Very good, children! Tunay nga namang naunawaan ninyo ang ating aralin ngayon patungkol sa text types. So, sigurado akong handang-handa na kayong magsagot ng inyong mga learning tasks. So, isa-isahin natin. Para sa learning task 1, using the passage above, answer the questions below. Write your answers in your notebook or in your paper at pwede rin naman sa inyong learning answer sheets. Ano? Pwede rin doon. Kung ano yung binigay sa inyo ng inyong guro, kung saan ninyo ito sasagutan. Learning task 2, read the passage, then answer the questions that follow. Write your answers in your notebook or in your paper or kung saan man ipinasasagutan ng inyong guro. Learning task 3, read the paragraph below. In your notebook, draw the figure described by the text. Then, identify the author's purpose in writing it. So, basahin yung mabuti yung talata sa ibaba at ipaliwanag kung ano ang nais sabihin ng talata na ito. Ganon din kung ano ang nais iparating ng manunulat sa mga mambabasa. Learning task 4, read each sentence below. Write what you think might be the cause, why the sentence in the second line happens. Write your answers in your notebook or in your paper or in your answer sheet. So, ilalagay nyo lang yung cause or dahilan kung bakit nangyari yung mga pangungusap na nasa ibaba ng bawat number. Learning task 5. Find an article for each of the following language structures: description, sequence instruction process, cause and effect, compare contrast, and problem solution. Write or copy and paste these articles in your notebook. Then, provide an explanation below each article why it belongs to this specific text type, language structure. So, kailangan nyo dito ng newspaper or magazine kung saan maghahanap kayo ng iba't ibang article na magpapakita ng different structures ng text types. Ipapaliwanag nyo rin kung bakit ito ay inyong napili. Learning task 6. Identify the text type structure used in each item. Write your answers in your notebook or in your answer sheets. Continuation of learning task number 6. Learning task 7. Find an article for each of the following purposes of text types: to entertain, to persuade, and to inform. Write or copy and paste these articles in your notebook. Then, provide an explanation to each article why it belongs to this specific text type purpose. So, hahanap ulit kayo ng articles from magazine or newspaper, tapos i-identify nyo kung ito ay to entertain, to persuade, or to inform. Good luck, kids! Galingan ninyo sa inyong pagsasagot. Thank you for listening. Muli, ako ang inyong Teacher Kim na nagsasabing, tayo ay magsumikap upang makamtan ng ating mga pangarap. God bless and stay safe. Have a nice day!